Going, everybody? Today I wanted to make a quick video lesson on YouTube explaining the power of options and how you could use options to make ridiculous percent returns, how you can grow your account exponentially. And this is my first video on the channel, and I want you guys to drop a like on this video, subscribe for more. I plan to post frequently on this channel. I plan to post a lot of recaps, a lot of winning trades, some losing trades, because I feel like that's what you guys learn best on is somebody else's trade, learning their mindset of it, learning why they took it, learning why they took a loss, just learning different things. That's how I learned the best when I first started out trading, was learning from somebody else's mistakes or somebody else's successes. So subscribe. We'll also be posting potential plays on the watch list, different chart setups that I like, that are some stocks that are setting up for the future. Just a bunch of different things on this channel. And my whole goal with this is to educate you guys so you guys can learn how to trade options, learn what I do, and all that. So without further ado, let's get into the lesson. And I'll be showing you an option contract on Boeing, ticker symbol BA for the stock, Boeing. So I have an Excel file that I'll show you guys in a bit, showing different equations, how much money you could have put in, how much money you could have made, all that good stuff. So Boeing, the stock on the left, basically had a low today around 375 and made a high of 382. Now on the right is Boeing's option contract, which had a low of 21 cents. So you could have bought one option contract for 21 cents. And you could have sold that one contract for 21 cents. You could have sold it for $2.50. That's over 1,100% return. But if you look at the Boeing stock, which was 375 to 382, it's only a 1.8% return. So the stock made a 1.8% return. Meanwhile, the option made an over 1,100% return. We're going to look at the options chain really fast. We traded the Boeing 380 calls with a March 29th expiration. So it expired today. Today's a Friday. That's why we had a crazy move up, was because it's on a Friday, and every contract that is black, which is out of the money, will expire worthless. So that's why everything here that expires today and is out of the money is worth a penny, or it's worthless. And every contract that is shaded purple, which is in the money, has some value to it, and that's what we traded. We traded 380 calls today. So let's look at the Excel file really fast. So on the left right here, this table on the left, we have the option contract of Boeing with a March 29th, 2019 expiration. The entry was 21 cents and the exit was $2.51. Now this is in hindsight. This is just talking about, we know what the trade did afterwards. So we know what the low is, we know what the high is. This is just saying buying at the low and selling at the high. You're never going to buy at the low and sell at the high. This is just showing how much the contract went up. So 21 cents entry to a high of $2.51. 380 strike calls gave us a return on investment of 1,195%, which is unreal. You could have bought one contract for 21 bucks. Now, some of you might get confused saying one contract, but I thought they were 21 cents. Well, every contract's 100 shares, so you times 21 cents by 100. That's where you get 21 bucks for one contract. So it would have cost us, if we bought one contract, it would have cost 21 bucks, and we could have sold that for 251 bucks, and we would have had a profit of 230 bucks. So basically, 21 bucks made us 230 bucks. Now keep going down the list, 5 contracts, 10 contracts, 25 contracts. So if we bought 10 contracts, it would have cost us 210 bucks, and we could have sold for 2,510 for a profit of 2,300 bucks. So now, I don't want to sound repetitive, but 210 bucks would have made us 2,300 bucks profit. Keep going down the list. You bought 100 contracts, cost 2,100, sold for 25,000. We would have made a profit of $23,000 off of 2,100 bucks. That is unreal. It's called the Lotto. It's called Lotto Fridays, and you'll see crazy returns like this if you get the right contracts on a Friday. You'll see even bigger returns than this, but This is just unreal for getting 1100 over 1100% versus trading the stock, which was at a low of 375 and a high of 382, which is a 1.8% move. Which I don't know who wouldn't want to trade the option and getting that return versus trading the stock and only getting a 1.8% return. So it's a quick video lesson on just showing you how you could have made over 1100%.